Moving on with our bulletin, a local company specializing in drone manufacturing, Drone Solutions Zimbabwe, has conducted a flight demonstration of a drone designed to deliver blood and life-saving medicines during emergencies. Charmaine Chirumjiri reports.
In an interview, Drone Solutions Zimbabwe Sales and Marketing Executive Vumavaranda Bukamoyo said the innovation is expected to enhance service delivery through potential public-private partnerships within the health sector.
We are coming in with the drones, especially in the Ministry of Health and Childcare, where we are bringing drones to bring in medicines, to bring in syringes, to bring in all things that are medical at a very short space of time. So we are going to be using drones to deliver medical supplies to hard-to-reach areas. Talk of your the deep of rural areas. We will be using drones to make sure that we deliver medical supplies to those areas. I'll give an example. Someone has been bitten by a snake and we want to deliver antivenom, so we use these drones to deliver the antivenom.
He added that the drone has been approved by the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, ensuring public safety.
So when it comes to drones, drones are classified as unmanned aircraft vehicles. That means in terms of safety, they have the safety of aircraft. So they are flying, and before they even fly, they are approved by the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, so that they follow a certain route. And the medical supplies, they are conserved, or they are prepared, or they are put in the drone in such a way that they maintain the required temperatures and the required environments to make sure that they reach to where they are supposed to be administered to in a state that they are required to.
The drone was showcased during a 3-day blood donation campaign in Chitungwiza, organized by the National Men's Forum in partnership with National Blood Service Zimbabwe.